No. Power of a point. Let S be a sphere and A is a fixed point. If the chords join are drawn in any direction to intersect the given sphere and P and Q, then PA, AP, PR, AP. AP is to AQ is a constant, and that constant is called power of a point. Simple. Say sphere. This is a sphere. A is a fixed point. ఏదో ఒక డ్రా చేశాను అనుకోండి లైన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ లైన్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ఏ. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ లైన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ లైన్ విచ్ intersects the point sphere at Q. This line intersects the sphere at P. Then we have to find AP, distance between 2 points, and we have to find the distance between AQ. Then AP is to AQ, right? That is a constant, right? This constant is called power of a point. We don't have problems on this one. Next one is tangent plane. Similarly, like tangent line, tangent plane. That means the intersection, the plane. If the plane touches the sphere, then this plane is called a tangent plane. If a plane touches the sphere at a single point, then that plane is called a tangent plane. Or you can say the points of intersection. The points of intersection of the plane and the sphere is a unique point, then that plane is said to be a tangent plane. Now for our convenience ఒక డ్రా చేద్దాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్పియర్. నేను ఒక ప్లేన్ ఇలా డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను మనకు అర్థం కావడం కోసం, రైట్? ఒకే పాయింట్ టచ్ చేస్తుంది అనుకోండి, రైట్? నౌ ఇఫ్ ఏ ప్లేన్ టచెస్ ద స్పియర్ ఎట్ ఏ యునిక్ పాయింట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఆర్ నో యాక్చువల్లీ, right? This is called radius of the sphere. This is center of the sphere. If the plane touches the sphere, then this distance between the plane and the center is equal to what? R. The perpendicular distance from the plane to the center of the sphere is equal to radius, then that plane is called a tangent plane, రైట్? ఇది మన అర్థం కోసం డ్రా చేసుకున్నాం. యాక్చువల్గా ఫిగర్ ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలి టాంజెంట్ ప్లేన్కి? దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్పియర్, రైట్? ఇలా డ్రా చేస్తాం మనం ఏ డైరెక్షన్లో అయినా. దిస్ ఈజ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్పియర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లేన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ plane, this is a sphere, right? Now the plane touches the sphere at a unique point, therefore this plane becomes a tangent plane, right? Now this is called perpendicular distance, right, from C to P, where P is the point of intersection of the plane and the sphere only. సార్ ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ చేస్తుందని కాదు. నౌ టేక్ ఏ బాల్. ఒక బాల్ తీసుకొని ఒక పేపర్ మీద ప్లేస్ చేయండి. నా ఏమవుతుంది? టచెస్ ద పేపర్ అట్ ఏ యునీక్ పాయింట్ అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, రైట్? నా ఇది డయాగ్రామ్లో ఇలా, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్, ఓన్లీ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్. Now here this is called what? Radius. This distance is called radius from the center to the point on the sphere. Our distance ఏమవుతుంది? Radius. Now here perpendicular distance is equal to radius అయితే then that plane is said to be a tangent plane అన్నాం. నా ప్లేన్ అనగానే మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మనకి ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా యూ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా ద నార్మల్. వాట్ డూ మీన్ బై నార్మల్? ఏ లైన్ which is perpendicular to the plane is called normal. This is a line which is perpendicular to the plane, therefore it is called normal. ఇప్పుడు ఈ నార్మల్ని ఈ లైన్ చూడండి, దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ప్యారలల్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. ద నార్మల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ప్యారలల్ టు ద లైన్ CP if the plane touches the sphere at a point P only. Remember, right? Now this is very very important diagram. Now this is the important concept. What is that important concept? Here the center of the the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere onto the plane is equal to the radius of the sphere. If they are equal, then that plane is said to be a tangent plane. Now a line which is perpendicular to the plane is called normal. From this diagram, this line CP and this normal both are parallel to each other, right? If they are parallel to each other, lines one concept is there, right? If two lines are parallel to each other, their direction ratios or direction cosines are proportional to each other, or you can say simply identical, right? If the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then what is the condition? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. What are A1 B1 C1? A1 B1 C1 are the direction ratios of the first line. A2 B2 C2 are the direction ratios of the second line. If they are perpendicular, condition is what? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Here only this line normal is parallel to the line CP, therefore their direction ratios are proportional to each other. Now, what is the condition of a tangent plane? When do you say that a plane is said to be a tangent plane? Means if the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to the plane is equal to the radius, then that plane is called a tangent plane. Otherwise, it is not a tangent plane. Right? Now, next problem. Find the equation of a tangent plane through a sphere is given. Right? Now, here I am explaining this one, this problem. Now, see here, first of all, we have to, what is our aim? Our aim is to find the equation of a tangent plane, right? Equation of a plane which touches the sphere at a point. Which touches the sphere at a point means obviously it is a tangent plane. Now, see here, this is our given data. We wrote our given equation of a sphere is, right? Now coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square, coefficient of z square must be equal to 1. That's why I am dividing, dividing the equation by 3. Now we call that equation number 1, and the given point is also given. Now చెప్పాను కదా టూ డయాగ్రామ్స్ అనేది మన అర్థం కావడం కోసం యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ డయాగ్రామ్. సార్ మీరు ప్లేన్ ఇందాక ఇలా గీసారంటే ఎలా అయినా డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఏదర్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ ఆర్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్. నౌ సి now ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం ఇక్కడ? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ ద సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పియర్. వై సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పియర్? బికాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సెంటర్ టు ద plane. Show that అన్నప్పుడు that is very very important. That's why you are finding the center of the sphere. Center of the sphere formula minus of x coefficient by 2 minus of y coefficient by 2 minus of z coefficient by 2. Here from this equation I got this result. C is equal to 1 by 3 comma 1 by 2 comma 2 by 3. Right? Now direction ratios of the line CP అని రాస్తున్నాను. సో ఇక్కడ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లైన్ CP, కానీ కొంచెం డ్రా చేశాను. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ పాయింట్ C and this is a point P whose coordinates are 1 2 3. Here the coordinates are 1 by 3 comma 1 by 2 comma 2 by 3. Right? Now we want, if you want to find the direction ratios of a line passing through 2 points formula, say first one is x1 y1 z1, say x2 y2 z2 అయితే then what is the direction ratios? x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1, or else x1 minus x2 comma y1 minus y2 comma z1 minus z2. This is the formula. Either you can use this formula or this formula. Now here first we have to find the direction ratios of this line. No, direction ratio of this line we are finding. What is the formula? x1 minus x2, or you can use this formula. Here direction ratios of the line CP are this minus this, 1 by 3 minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 2, 2 by 3 minus 3. Now we got the direction ratios. Now another important concept, what is our aim here? Our aim is to find this plane which, this is P, now which touches the sphere at P. Now there is one standard formula is there. This is our required plane, right? Is contains a point 1 comma 2 comma 3. Equation of a plane, equation of a plane passing through this point is one point formula, a into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 2 plus g into z minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a plane in one point formula. right? Remember, this is the standard formula. Now, what are ABCs are? And ABC are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Now, see from this diagram, direction ratios of this normal to the plane are, what are the direction ratios? ABC. We don't know ABC, but from the figure this normal is parallel to the line CP. We know the direction ratios of the line CP. See, direction ratios of the line CP are అని రాసాం, right? Now ఏం మనం కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏం రాస్తున్నాం? Since the normal to the plane is parallel to the line CP, therefore direction ratios are proportional to each other or are identical. Now, therefore, A value is equal to this one, B value is equal to this one, C value is equal to this one. Now, we got ABC values. Substitute those ABC values in the equation number 2. What is equation number 2? Equation 2 is the plane which is passing through the point 1, 2, 3. Right? Now, after substitution, we got this result. Right? Now from the diagram, this is a plane passing through the point P123 which touches the given sphere is this one. Right? Now therefore, this plane becomes a tangent plane. Got it?